Welcome to our 60-second lesson. Today we'll be showing you how to properly set up your Nintendo Switch. This is the AC adapter. Plug this into the top slot. Then plug the other end of the cable into the plug socket. This is the HDMI cable. Plug it in the back or the side of your TV. Then get the other end of the HDMI cable and plug it in to the bottom slot, and then close the hatch, like so. Then slide in your Nintendo Switch. Then press the power button located at the top of the Switch. Then remove the Joy-Cons. If done correctly, you should be greeted with the Start menu. And that is how to properly set up your Nintendo Switch and link it to your TV. Thanks for watching.